My name is Clara and I'm doing a PhD in seismology. I'm using the vibrations generated by the ocean and the atmosphere with the ground to study the structure on shore island.
My name is Arne. I studied physics, and this made me designing autonomous instruments, and I'm the inventor of these OBSs here, and I'm here for servicing it.
My name is Mick Smits. I'm an electronics engineer. I'm the technical lead for the IRMAL project.
I'm David Stalling. I'm the sound artist in residence on the Celtic Explorer. I'm here to record sounds that will eventually grow into a piece of work.
Hi, my name is Laura. I'm a PhD student and I'm working on extinct volcanoes in the North Atlantic.
Hello, my name is Daniel and I work in digital media and I'm on board to document the trip through photos, video and writing and a blog.
Hello, my name is Raffaele. I am a researcher in Dublin Institute for Advanced Studies. I'm doing seismology. Why am I here? Who wouldn't want to be here? It's a terrific experience. We are on a research vessel going toward Iceland and the mid-Atlantic ridge. It's a great experience and a terrific adventure.
Hi, my name is Janneke and I'm a PhD student and I do seismology. So we use the waves of the Earth to discover its structure.
I'm Sergei Lebedev. I'm the chief scientist on board, and I'm the principal investigator in the project SEA-SEIS.
SEA-SEIS, that's the project. The sea, while we're out at sea, and SEIS stands for seismics. So that's what we measure. We use seismic waves to measure the Earth.
It means many things. First of all, it's seismology at sea. Also, it's an abbreviation for the long name of the project. But importantly, it's also a party at sea, where people get together and do wonderful, fun things at sea. As you can see, we have our SEA-SEIS team here includes people from different walks of life, and it's been a lot of fun working with them. And I guess what's special about them, they're all creative people, and working with these people is one of the best parts of my job. Well, a big, complex project like this takes a lot of time to put together. We started thinking about this about 2 years ago, and finally we are at sea doing it. We have no shortage of interesting science questions, that's our job. But for a project like this, you need to formulate them very clearly. You need to get the funding, you need to get the instruments, you need to get the ship. So it takes some work and organization, but in the end you end up, everything falls into place and you end up working with wonderful, enthusiastic people. The tectonic plate that Ireland sits on has had a very interesting history. Before the Northern Atlantic Ocean opened, the plate was deformed and stretched, and deep sea basins opened with huge contrast in topography with deep valleys and mountains. And how that happened is not very well understood at the scale of the plate. What was the physical mechanism of the deformation and evolution of the plate? And when the North Atlantic Ocean started opening, there were a lot of volcanoes suddenly across the entire region. Many of them formed Iceland as we know it today, but there were many others in Northern Ireland and Britain, and many of them offshore Ireland. And what caused them is still debated. Scientists are still not sure. If you look at the structure of the Earth below Ireland and Iceland and the entire region between them, we can see already that the mantle of the Earth is unusually hot. And our hypothesis is that these hot currents in the deep mantle of the Earth caused the volcanoes in Iceland to this day, and in Ireland and Irish offshore until some time ago. But how this happens could not really be understood without new data, and this is why we're here. We're deploying new instruments, we are going to make new measurements, and we hope to determine what's happening inside the Earth in this special place.
This is an instrument that measures the Earth's movement from local, so if there's an earthquake here, it measures a measurement, as well as from far away. So in case in New Zealand is an earthquake, we still can measure them here. Or if somewhere in North Korea is an atomic bomb exploding, we can measure it here. There's lots of stuff changing in climate on the Earth from the crust, and lots of this is caused by human being. I want to force it that we understand it more quickly and to protect the Earth more quickly than without the instruments and without the knowledge and without the science.
Excellent. It was slow to start, while the team got familiar with putting the system together.
It's going well, it's going well. We deployed 5 seismometers, they're all out on the ground. We have 12 more to go, so we're on track so far.
We've been making good progress. Everything has been successful so far. We have deployed the first 5 seismometers up to this point. And we have been able to test all the equipment, so everything is going very well.
Not the first days, it had been quite a rough weather, but now it's brilliant. It's a nice team and lots of success, so it is really good.
It's complicated, but yeah, I have bruises all around my body, and for example, the other day while I was sitting working with my computer, suddenly a wave moved myself to the other side of the room.
It was tough at first, but the last couple of days it seems to be calm. It's been great. Great team, great camaraderie, all that sort of stuff. But no, it's been excellent.
You know, I come from a village in the mountain. I'm not a seaman. It was a little bit rough, but after a few days you come back to life, and the food is amazing, really.
I'm on a boat, just walking around, trying to get from one room to the other without falling over. As you can see, it's moving. I'm holding on, but through time, it gets better.
I love being here. It's very interesting.
It takes a while to get used to the constant motion, and I was feeling quite queasy, but it has improved quite a lot since.
I find it very comfortable actually, because it's like someone is rocking you, and so it's great, fantastic.
I was just thinking yesterday, it feels like if I would be here with my family, so it's a very warm environment. We saw a group of migratory birds flying by yesterday. They are so cute. So.
The best thing about being in this boat are the cakes.
Getting out deep into the Atlantic on a boat, I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's one that I feel very privileged to be able to have.